Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 4, Lesson 20, Adventure.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, presentation for B1 learners, designed especially for the 9th grade. Go ahead, open up your students' books, Unit 4, Adventure. Student book, page 48, Speaking, Signing up for an activity, Real talk. What's the most exciting thing you've ever done? Go ahead and take a listen to the video. Watch the teenagers in the video. What activities do they talk about?
What's the most exciting thing you've ever done?
I've been on a canyoning trip. It was really good fun, but scary at the same time. I fell and cut my leg on a rock. It bled for a while. It was difficult to walk after that.
I walked behind a waterfall. It was so loud and really cold. It was July, so I didn't expect that.
I've skied down a black ski run. Those are the hardest. I thought it was green, but when I got to the bottom, I saw that it was black on the ski map. That was an exciting mistake.
We go to the same lake every summer, and every year all the kids jump off this very tall rock into the water. I was always too scared, but last summer I jumped. It was awesome.
I've played in a concert in front of my whole school. I was really nervous before I started, but then I saw my best friend in the audience smiling at me, and I felt much better. I've been on the biggest roller coaster in the world. 5 times!
What's the most exciting thing you've ever done?
Section 1, Corrections. Section 3, listen now to an audio of Gemma talking to an activity guide. What's she going to do? Section 4, complete the conversation with the useful languages below. Where can I sign up? Can I ask you a few things about? What about? What do I need to bring? How long is? And does the price include? So go ahead and use those useful phrase languages and complete the conversation below in section 4. At this time, go ahead and pause the video and resume for corrections.
CD 1, Track 50. Listen to the conversation.
Can I ask you a few things about the canyoning trip?
The Blue Canyon one? Sure. What would you like to know?
Well, is it only for people who've already done it?
No, you don't need any experience. We give training with qualified guides, and the Blue Canyon is fine for beginners.
Great. What do I need to bring? I haven't got a wetsuit or anything.
That's okay. We provide a wetsuit, helmet, shoes and life jacket. Just bring your swimsuit and towel and some warm clothes for after.
Okay, good. How long is the trip to Blue Canyon?
It's all day from 9 until 6.
I see. What about food then? Does the price include food?
Food is included in the price. We look after everything, so you just enjoy the adventure.
Wow, it sounds fantastic. Where can I sign up?
Right here.
Student book, page 49, Writing a Travel Blog. Section 1, look at the photos and read Mitch's blog. Where is he on holiday? He is on Highway 101 in the USA. Section 2, Read the blog again and answer the questions. Go ahead at this time, pause the video, and then resume for your corrections. Section 3. Look at the useful language box above. Find one example of how Mitch feels bad in the blog. Section 4. Complete the exclamations using the nouns 1 through 6 and a good or bad adjective from the box. At this time, go ahead and pause, do your answers, and then resume for your corrections. Corrections, Section 1 and 2. Section 5. Go ahead and write. Take your notebooks out, plan, make notes about a holiday blog post. Include information from Exercise 2 to help you. Once you have planned your writing, go ahead and move on to Section 6, which is to write your holiday blog post. Use your notes and the model text to help you. Once you have written your blog, go ahead and check. Can you say yes to these questions? Is the information from Exercise 2 in your blog post? And have you included 1 or 2 exclamations to say how you feel? Corrections. Student Book, page 50, Unit 3, Unit 4, Review, Vocabulary. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Number 1 is done as an example. Section 2. Write the names of the musical instruments. Section 3. Complete the sentences with the phrases in the box and the correct form of go, go on, or go to. Number 1 is done as an example for you. Section 4. Choose the correct word. Section 5. Explore vocabulary. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the correct form when necessary. Section 6. Complete the text with the words in the box. Number 1 is done as an example. Now go ahead and pause the video at this time and finish these exercises, page 50, and then resume for your corrections. Corrections, page 50. Now pause the video take a look at your corrections. Student Book, page 51, Language Focus. Section 1. Complete the email with the verbs in the box. Use the present perfect. Section 2. Complete the conversation with the present perfect and ever or never. Use the verbs in brackets. Section 3. Complete the sentences with for or since. Section 4. Complete the conversations with the verbs in brackets. Use the present perfect or past simple. Number 1 is done as an example for you. Language Builder, Section 5. Choose the correct words to complete the text. Then in Section 6 for speaking, match the sentences 1 through 6 to A through F. At this time, go ahead and pause the video and do your exercises on page 51 and then resume for your corrections. Corrections, page 51, Language Focus and Builder, as well as speaking. At this time, go ahead and pause the video and resume looking at your corrections. Workbook page 42, Writing, a Travel Blog, Section 1. Read Andy's travel blog. What kind of holiday is a cruise? Section 2. Read the blog again and complete the text with the words in the box. Section 3. Read the blog again and answer the questions. Remember, make complete sentences in this exercise. Section 4. Read the blog again and tick the things in the list that Andy writes about. Section 5. Complete the table with the adjectives in the box. Remember useful languages expressing how you feel and good or bad. Workbook page 43, Writing, Section 6. Read the sentences and write how you felt. Use the words in exercise 5 to help you. Number 1 is done as an example. Remember writing tip. To make your writing better, use what, a or an, before singular countable nouns. Use what before singular uncountable and plural nouns. So in section 7, rewrite the sentences with what or what, a or an. Number 1 is done for you as an example. Section 8. Rewrite the sentences. Put the word in brackets in the correct place. Make sure you say things in different ways. Use different ways to say my favorite is. So go ahead and take some time to do those. Section 9. Read the sentences. Which one does not mean my favorite? Section 10. Read the blog again. Number the things in the list in the order they appear. Then let's go ahead and plan our writing. Section 11. Imagine you are on a cruise. Use the list in exercise 10 and your imagination to make notes. Then go ahead and write in section 12. Write a travel blog post about your trip. Look at page 49 of the student's book to help you. Go ahead and utilize your notebooks in this section. Section 13. Now, once you have written your blog, go ahead and check your writing. Can you say yes to these questions? If you need to go ahead and do a second draft, go ahead and do it in your notebooks. Do your corrections in your notebooks on your draft copy, and then rewrite a final copy. Workbook page 90, Speaking Extra. Signing up for an activity. Go ahead and listen. Complete the sentences from the Real Talk video in the student's book with the words in the box. Section 2. Go ahead and take a listen and choose the correct words.
Track 21. Listen and choose. Conversation 1.
Excuse me, where can I sign up for the course?
Right here.
What do I need to bring?
Just warm clothes. We'll give you the skis, boots and a helmet.
Conversation 2.
Are you coming trekking with us on Saturday?
I think so. Can I ask you a few things about the trip?
Sure. What would you like to know?
How long is the trek?
Not that long. About 3 hours altogether.
3 hours? OK, what do I need to bring?
Well, a good strong pair of boots, a water bottle and sunglasses.
Conversation 3.
Hi, can I ask you a few things about the climbing course?
Of course. What would you like to know?
Does the price include all the equipment?
Yes, we'll give you everything you need.
And what do I need to bring?
Nothing. Just wear comfortable clothes.
How do we get there?
The bus leaves in an hour.
Okay. Where can I sign up?
Sign up at the campsite.
Okay. Thanks.
Section 3. Read the conversation. How long will Justin be at the theme park? Section 4. Go ahead and take a listen to the audio and complete the conversation in Exercise 3 with the words in the box. Listen and check.
Track 22. Listen and check.
Can I ask you a few things about the trip to the theme park?
Sure. What would you like to know?
First of all, what time are we leaving tomorrow?
The bus leaves at 10 o'clock in the morning, and you'll be back here at about 5 o'clock.
So, how long is the journey to the theme park?
It's not far, about 40 minutes.
Okay, what do we need to bring?
Nothing really. Maybe some money for water or sweets, but lunch is included.
Does the price include all the different rides?
Yes. You can go on everything.
Even the Monster Mountain roller coaster?
Everything.
Okay. Where can I sign up?
Right here. What's your name?
Section 5. Pronunciation Focus. Asking for information. Go ahead and take a listen to the audio, to the questions. Does the voice go up or down? Listen and repeat if necessary.
Track 23. Listen and repeat. 1.
Where can I sign up?
2.
What about food?
3.
Can I ask you a few things about the course?
4.
Does the price include transport?
5.
How long is the trip?
6.
What do I need to bring?
Section 6. Go ahead and take a listen to the conversation. Why is Taylor surprised? And then listen if you need to again and complete the conversation in Section 7. And then listen and answer the conversation.
Track 24. Listen to the conversation.
Hi, Taylor. Are you going on the sailing trip tomorrow?
Yeah, I can't wait. This is my 3rd time. Are you going too?
I don't know. I've never been sailing. Can I ask you a few things about the trip?
Sure.
How long is the trip? I mean, how long are we out in the boats?
Oh, we're usually out for about 3 or 4 hours.
Okay, wow. That's a long time. And what do I need to bring?
Well, swim shorts, shoes that you can get wet, and that's all, I think.
What about life jackets?
Oh no, you'll get one of those.
And does the price include some swimming lessons first?
Swimming lessons? No. You can't swim.
Well, no.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.